If you have a Pace Edwards cover with a padded polymer top and you want to know how to maintain it, here's a couple of products that the manufacturer recommends. We have the Pace Edwards Vinyl Cleaner and the Pace Edwards UV Protectant. Let me show you how these products work. The vinyl cleaner is made specifically for a soiled top, and you're going to spray it directly onto the soiled area. Now, if it's heavily soiled, you're going to let that penetrate for a little bit. This is a citrus-based product, so it won't hurt the vinyl, but it'll help to lift that soil out. Next, you'll take a soft bristle nylon brush and scrub it in. That will agitate it physically and help remove the soil. Next, you'll take a clean microfiber cloth and buff that out. Now, the way that the protectant works is you'll take the protectant and spray it directly into a clean microfiber cloth. You want to make sure and saturate that cloth nicely. Now with this, I like to work in 2 foot by 2 foot sections. I'm just going to apply it also in a circular motion. Get it nice and evenly applied, and then take another clean microfiber cloth and buff that out. Now, the protectant can also be used as a rail lubricant. Both products are great not only for the vinyl, but also for plastics like your bed caps and rubber like your tires. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.